this one. So this looks pretty solid and the construction is really good. Let's see, it's a Bluetooth to aux converter. Yeah, the packing looks quite pretty. It's a pretty solid Bluetooth to aux converter, and the Bluetooth is this, and then there's a pretty nice solid, I think it's gold plated aux converter. If it's a aux wire, if it's a good one, then you have a pretty nice quality. And this connects to your charger over the USB, so you don't have to worry about the power. It has a built-in mic and you can call. And does it say anything else in the advertisement? It's I think it says Bluetooth 5, version 5, metal warranty, automatic connection, good. So we'll connect it to the car charger like this, and we'll connect this wire to your stereo. And now we need to connect our mobile phone to this Bluetooth device. Let's see if it shows up here. Go to your Bluetooth menu. So then you go to your Bluetooth menu and search for a device. It will show up with the name of Baseus. Here it is. Pairing, connecting. Connected. You heard some sound. Go to your Bluetooth menu, play some other Punjabi song. Let's see. I can play the previous one, but yeah, I want to hear this one.
ਉਹ ਭਾਬੀ ਉਹਦਾ ਸਾਕ ਮੋੜਦੀ ਨੀ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਖੜੀਆਂ ਉਹ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਦਾ ਡੱਬੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਡਰਦੀ ਖਾਂਦਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਉਹੀ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ ਭਾਬੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਡੱਬੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਡਰਦੀ ਖਾਂਦਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਉਹੀ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਮੈਂ ਸੁਣੀ ਉੱਡਦੀ
So yeah, like, share, subscribe my channel for more car videos and videos about these kind of simple things. Some people don't know even about the simple FM modulator, but they ask me questions like, how do we have Bluetooth in your car, in their car? So thank you for having patience watching my videos, and good luck. Have a nice day. Bye.